Hello everyone, we are from PBL TRPL 205. We want to presentation our project about design and development of a company profile website for PT as an information medium for service and construction. Next. Okay, before we start our presentation, let me introduce our member of group. Okay, this is Kemas Muhammad Alif as a front-end developer. Next is Chesy Esterani as a front-end developer, and Muhammad Akbar Fairuz as a back-end developer. Next, Johannes Alpino as a documentation, Julvan as a business analyst, and Aulia as a business analyst too.
And based on the team's evaluation, Johannes had the lowest level of contribution to the project. And next is the problem statement. Conventional information delivery. Company information is still shared through print media and word of mouth, limiting reach and efficiency in communicating service to potential clients. Difficult service access. Customers face difficulty accessing detailed service information, project portfolios, and company credentials without a centralized digital platform. And last, undocumented project portfolios. Complex projects are not well documented digitally, reducing credibility and making it harder to showcase expertise. No centralized communication channel exists between company and clients. Purpose solution flow. Develop a responsive company profile website that provides complete, accurate, and up-to-date information about PT Berkah Alam Tabantang. The website allows customers to access company information anytime and from any device. Present the company construction service, complete project portfolios, and company certification in a structured and visually appealing format. This helps strengthen the company's credibility and allows potential clients to better understand its expertise. Provide interactive features such as customer reviews, feedback submission, FAQs, and contact information to facilitate communication between the company and prospective client while improving customer engagement. Implement an admin dashboard that enable administrator to easily manage company profile, service, project certificate, FAQs, and customer reviews. This ensures that all website content remains accurate, consistent, and up-to-date. Next, application feature. For user feature has display company profile, display company service, display company project, display company certificate, display company contact information, display frequently asked questions, submit feedback and suggestion, search FAQs, and automatic WhatsApp chat service. And for administrator, has admin login, manage company profile, manage company service, manage company projects, manage company certificates, manage feedback and suggestion, manage frequently asked questions, receive feedback and suggestion notification, and the last, search project.
Okay, I will I will explain about the application screenshot. So the first one, I will present about the homepage. At the homepage, we can see the information from the company, like the description, vision, mission, and then at the navbar, we can change the page to the service page, and then if we want to give rating or review, we can go to the review page. And then at the project and FAQ page, in the project page, we can see the detail of the project, like the location, the date, and then the description of the project. At the FAQ, we can see the question and answer, and then we can search the FAQ at the FAQ page. This is admin dashboard page. We can create, edit, delete the project, certificate, and then service, FAQ. We can change the company profile, and then we can replay the review from the user, and then we can delete.
Okay, next I will explain about application benefit. Number one, better company branding. A professional website elevate brand perception and position the company as a credible, modern construction service provider. Number two, easier access to information. Client can instantly browse service, portfolios, and contact detail anything from any device without barriers. And last, increased customer trust, transparent project portfolios, certificate, and client reviewable confidence and credibility with potential customers.
For testing methodology, the application was tested using black box testing method to verify each functional requirement works accordingly to the system specification without evaluating the internal source code. So we have 11 functional module, and there is 22 total test case. Our testing workflow is we identify functional requirement, and then we prepare the test case. Next, we execute the test case, compare the expected and the actual result, and then lastly, we validate the result. Next, the testing result validation. This is our testing summary. There is 22 test case that was executed, and all of them are passed. Admin authentication, company management, project and service management, and customer feedback, all of them are successfully validated. Overall, all of them are passed and has been successfully implemented and validated.
I will explain about course development implementation. Number one, project management. Project management principles were applied to test planning, team collaboration, progress monitoring, and project documentation during development. Number two, data structure. Data structure concept were implemented to organize and process application data efficiently, supporting search, part operation, and data management. Number three, statistical during the testing phase by analyzing the result of black box testing. Dog-hearted testing data were summarized to evaluate the application functionality and determine the overall testing success rate. And last, Indonesian language. The project applied academic writing standard in the preparing technical documentation, including the software requirement specification or SKPPL, user manual, and final project report.
Okay, this is minimum course requirement. Object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming concept will apply using the Laravel framework through the implementation of the MVC, model view controller, architecture, model, control, and routing with ontologies to create a structured, maintainable, and reusable application. And database programming was implemented by designing and developing a MySQL relational database to manage company profile, service, project, certificate, FAQ, and customer feedback. SQL queries and CRUD operation will use the user vision, data storage, and management. And software design, the company profile website was designed by applying software engineering principles through the preparation of the software requirement, specification, SRS, SKPPL, use case diagram, activity diagram, sequence diagram, and user interface design. Thus, this design artifact serve as the foundation for the system development process. And result and conclusion, The result, the company profile website for PT Berkah Alam Tabantang was successfully developed and implemented based on the definite functional requirement. The application provides complete company information, showcase construction service and project portfolio, manage certificate, FAQ, customer feedback, and support efficient content management through admin dashboard. Future improvement, the developer website improve information accessibility, enhance the company profit image as simpler digital content management. Based on the black box testing result, all functional requirements were successfully implemented, indicating that the application is ready to support the company digital information service.
That's all about our presentation. Thank you just for your listen about our presentation, and goodbye.